Hi everyone, today I'm making cherry yum yum. We're going to start with the first layer, and for that you're going to need 3 cups of graham cracker crumbs and 1.5 sticks of butter melted. You're going to mix together the graham cracker crumbs and the butter until you get the consistency of wet sand. You'll know you have the good consistency whenever if you press on it, it holds together. Then you're going to put half of that into the bottom of a 13 by 9 inch pan. For those who have never had cherry yum yum, the taste is so good. You think it's going to taste kind of heavy on the cream cheese, but it really doesn't. It's really light and fluffy, very refreshing. It's sweet but not too sweet, and it's perfect for a hot summer's day. For my channel lately, I've been doing some recipes that are perfect for cookouts, and I picked cherry yum yum for the dessert because it's a make-ahead recipe, so that means it frees up time for you to do other things. It's a refrigerated dessert, so it's nice and cool on a hot day. And the best of all, it's easy, inexpensive, and it feeds a crowd. For the next layer, you're going to need 1 box of Dream Whip, and Dream Whip comes with 2 envelopes, and you're going to need both envelopes, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, and 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. To combine, you're just going to put all the ingredients in a bowl, and you're going to mix with a hand mixer on high for about 4 minutes to bring everything together. But pretty much just mix until you get your desired consistency. During the mixing, I started to get a little concerned about the cream cheese lumps in the mixture. If this happens to you and you want to take it out right then, you can just pass your mixture through a fine mesh strainer. But I didn't do that, and the end result looked really good. So if this happens to you, don't worry, everything will come together in the end. The full recipe will be in the description, and I'm also going to leave a recipe card at the end, so make sure to stick around until the very end to check that out. For the cherry layer, you're going to use cherry pie filling. You're going to need 2 cans. You're going to finish off the cherry yum yum by adding the final half of the cream cheese mixture and then topping it with the graham cracker mixture. And I forgot to grab some footage of the final product after it was refrigerated, but I did insert these two pictures to show you what it looked like. Thank you for joining me today. Make sure you check back next time to see what we're going to do in this cookout series. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more future videos, and also leave a comment and just say hey. I'll see you guys back here next time on Vintage Cookery.